I'm Hessel de Jong. What it means to me to own a yacht like Willow Wren, well, the first thing is that actually it's a bit like the Patek Philippe commercial. You don't really own a classic ship. You just merely take care of it to hand it over to the next generation. But in between, we will really have a lot of fun with it, that's for sure. To have the Willow Wren on this carrier, the idea for me was I was quite anxious because we have worked for 3 years to restore the ship and then to load it on and then to have it on the ship for about 2 weeks. I was quite nervous, but then when I met the team and when I saw how professional they were loading it, and I also met the captain Yuri, he was only calm, he's from Ukraine by the way, great guy, and so I felt very comfortable when the Willow Wren was on the Trent Navigator. My experience working with Sevenstar was really amazing. I asked people around who could carry the ship actually last year, and I came in contact with Dave Starkey. He has been amazing from the start, very professional and always telling me when the next slot was. And they really looked at all the details of the ship because they understood that a classic yacht is something different from a modern yacht. So they've been amazing. And then also the loading on the ship, the loadmaster, Bram and Edward, they have been amazing. So they gave me a lot of confidence, and since then I feel very secure. So my plans with the Willow Wren is as follow. As we speak, the crew here, my son and the Italian friends, we are going to sail the Willow Wren directly to La Spezia, which will be to Porto Lotti, which will be the home port of Willow Wren. And from there, the plan is that together with my wife and the children, we will really get to know the Italian coast. And when we feel comfortable with the ship, we will probably visit a few regattas. But then the most important is, I don't own the Willow Wren. I will have to give it to the next generation. This is maybe the time that my son needs to come. Here, Renier. So I take care of it for the next 30, 40 years, and then my son Renier, my daughter Femke,
I will try to.
and Floris, they will take care of it. That's the plan.